Right, and Seth Adams' family attorney jumped right in after openings. He showed jurors 2 videos of Sergeant Michael Custer describing what he says happened that night that he shot and killed Adams. But the attorney says that physical evidence at the scene is going to prove he's lying. This is Sergeant Michael Custer leaving federal court Monday, who claims he shot 24-year-old Seth Adams out of fear for his life. Tuesday, he listened impassively inside while Adams' family's lawyer told jurors physical evidence would prove Custer was lying, saying a shooting cannot be reasonable or justified if it's based on a lie. Custer claims while he was doing an undercover stakeout in the parking lot of Adams' family nursery, Adams drove up, demanded to know what he was doing, and then choked him as hard as a man can grab you, continued to curse at him, and then reached into his truck for what Custer thought was a gun. Jurors watched a video of Custer explaining to investigators what happened, Custer telling them, "I thought he'd grabbed a weapon. The last thing I saw was literally my wife's face as he was spinning around." Custer shot 4 times. McCall claims blood spatter, gunpowder residue, witness statements, and a blood trail will all prove it didn't happen the way Custer claims. Custer's lawyer told jurors the physical evidence was not absolute, and if Custer's version of events didn't match all of the physical evidence, it was because everything happened so fast, within seconds, and he was trying to recall things as best as he could. And Seth Adams' mother cried quietly as the jurors heard about how her son died and how she rushed to the hospital but wasn't able to touch his body. A deputy there pushing her away and saying he's evidence. Meantime, what happened today, the lawyer is going to attempt to show jurors that sheriff's investigators lost Sergeant Custer's phone on purpose so that they couldn't read his text messages. The implication being that perhaps he was meeting a woman in that parking lot. Adams interrupted them, and that's why the argument then ensued. The trial will continues bright and early tomorrow morning. Also, I'd like to point out that a third person's DNA was found on Custer's jeans, belt buckle, and bottom of his pants. And they're going to say that maybe there was another person there, a witness that was never investigated. Live in West Palm Beach, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.